Okay, Mosey, take us through that first set. Adamson was lucky to win that one.
Oh yes, that was a close one, and Team LaSalle wasn't able just to close that set, so Adamson snatching it away. Adamson 16 attack points, most of it coming after the second technical timeout, and USLS having 12 attack points, blocking USLS with 2, none for Adamson, and service points. Yun, dun medyo lumang mga Adamson with 4 aces to their, on that first set.
St. LaSalle just unable to finish, and you just don't want to give any kind of opening to the Adamson Falcons. They will live up to their name as a bird of prey. When you give them an opportunity, they will pounce. They were sluggish in the first part of the first set, but they decided, let's wake up.
They were able to connect when Patiliano went in to do the setting chores.
Look at this. Adamson may be interested in going home early. They climb to a 2-0 lead here in the second set.
Now Makatuno again inside to set for Adamson.
Boy, I'm looking at Vasquez. Pint-sized, and she really is. She looks like a high school girl playing among...
But she's been playing that position for quite a while now.
Bihirang bolang lumampas dyan. And she keeps the ball up and in play. Sabi sa'yo, lahat ng libero, happy childhood.
Sabi namin ni Noel kanina, merong dalawang klase ng libero. Yung tahimik, parang si Leslie Angata, then si Vasquez. At meron kayong parang mapang-asar na katulad ni Reyes ng NU,
remember Taganas of FPO?
Yan,
hingitian ka pa, di ba?
Hinihingi pa yung bola, di ba?
Pinutasan ni J.D. Hare.
Such a delight to watch.
And I chatted with some of the players of St. LaSalle, and I asked them, in Ilonggo, if Hare understood a single word of Ilonggo, not at all.
Not even one.
Not even one. So she's just following everybody's body language.
Okay.
But I'm sure somebody's helping her along, and she'll pick up the words as we sail along. In the meantime, that's outside.
Well, so far, Angela Binting, 11 points already.
Ganun kabilis?
Yes, and Bautista with 5. 4 apiece is Moralde and Dolar on the other side.
St. LaSalle had their chances in the first set to actually finish it. Didn't get to do that. That's out.
It's going to be out, trying to go for the check.
In the meantime, don't forget that for Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Thin crust, extra cheese.
Huwag kang ganyan. Huwag kang ganyan. Huwag kang ganyan. Yung manager's choice forever. Sabi naman ko, wala ka na ba ibang mo? Yun yung student, sorry ha, yan yung tagal ng kaibigan ng Shakey's. Yung student.
Bunch of lunch pa.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko na naabutan yun, no batch of lunch. Ayun, mas matanda kay Shakey's. Yung pera mo no, sakto lang pang small manager's choice.
Pero okay na.
Para may karne naman ng konti kasi pag cheese, talagang wala ka ng budget nun talaga. Pero meron mga mahilig. Cheese lang ha.
I love it. Extra cheese. You put that in garlic and cheese.
Naku.
Ay, yummy.
7-2.
As we go back to the ball game.
Yeah.
This kwentuhan is making me hungry.
Yeah.
Soriano now on the line. Sabi mo, very regal looking.
Ang Reyna.
Pao Soriano.
Ang Reyna. Bang! Muntik na. Hare misses it.
Dagapay.
Yep, good call.
Adamson really well in the lifting violation. Makatuno on that dig.